In a colorful world, there is an indispensable pure white power, and that is titanium dioxide. Our titanium dioxide has become the first choice for many industries with its excellent quality and performance. In the field of coatings, it gives walls, furniture, and cars a lasting pure white luster. It is anti-aging and corrosion-resistant, making colors more vivid and bright. Whether it is indoor decoration or outdoor painting, it can show extraordinary effects. We strictly control every link of production to ensure stable and reliable product quality. We have advanced production equipment and a professional technical team, constantly innovating and improving to meet the growing needs of customers. Choosing our titanium dioxide is choosing quality and excellence. Let's join hands and illuminate the world with pure white and create a better future together. Looking forward to cooperating with you.